Hey Hacker News, my name is Christian. I'm here today to demo a feature called Collections, which allows you to launch React components with no code. Let's get started. So what we have here is a very simple Next.js React app, and we have this card component in here. And this card component is a very simple, straightforward React component. You can imagine it's, if you go look at the code, it's literally just called card. Great. Now, if I want to reuse this component also such that my teammates who may be not React programmer can launch new versions of this, I can use this thing called a Frigade Collection. The collection component is similar to just the card component pretty much, but it's special in the way that it has this collection ID. And through this collection ID, we map up the React component to this little space in the app. So I've created this kind of reusable channel in this area directly in my application with this component. And the way it is controlled is from this dashboard over here, where you can see I have the collection. You can see this ID here matches the one you saw over in the IDE. And what you can see here now, I actually have two instances of this same React component. And what I can do then is I can go preview it here because the backend here knows about which component we're using. So I can use this YAML editor here to control the content. And this also controls the state of who has the user seen this yet or pressed any of the buttons. And what's nice here is that I can now launch these two experiences, and I can add cool off between them as well. So right now, for the purpose of this demo, I just set the cool off to be 0 seconds. But normally you can imagine for an experience like this that you'd want to space it out maybe over a day or so you don't spam your users. So what's cool now is that I can click not now on this thing here. I can refresh the page, imagine come back in a new session, and then I got the next version of the same component, the one we saw over here. And this works pretty much with any React component. So this is a very simple example, but you can imagine wiring up any React component, controlling the content and also just the state via collection. And then use that to give you a really good user experience, but also allow people who are maybe non-technical to launch very native looking components in your application. Take a look at this. Let us know what you think in the comments. Cheers.